Nói ang bati MC mình khai Dr. Mukul sang mau la Kaba ka jing penher tin sob yeng ka NPP sia ka Gambegre constituency ka jurba ka ni Skhim. Habakran ciklat patai ko bor ka aploi tering naila aja pasau Dr. Mukul ong ba ki pai ba ki ban tip hak no kom ka NPP ka penher tin dagi bun kali banai sam sia ki pai ba hato ka dei ki basam na ka no ka Skhim ni ka dei ki basuthet nokot da mano kani ki jing wani Dr. Mukul kalong ba ka Gambegre constituency kan le election sistem semua sian hadin bau ME jongka usaling isang maula ino hadin bau la job ya ke MP natula constituency Dr. Mukul ong ba ula pej perman bahaya ke jinglong jingman ha Gambegre constituency bar layo I bagi tenat soka baro ke lahir sekete constituency hapo ke jing peta ke parti ke badan hakabor ula ong du ula keno ru bakani ka de ke jinglek kutlat jong ke NPP ke badan hakabor ban job election henry ki pej ba ke saai de ke jubab ka o India Trinamool Congress TMC ka raiban peniyang ya ka MDC bemarwe ka GHADC ka sia diani sang ma kum ka kertong hak election sidang semoy na ka tei constituency kat ba ka NPP ka raiban penyakun ya kalok umtrang ba konrat ke sang ma ka mektap candi sang ma.
I've been following the whole developments in the constituency. One thing has drawn my attention. The whole state machineries have been directed towards that constituency, including the Chief Minister himself. And interestingly, we saw lots of, now it is subject to verification because recently quite a substantial number of families, the households were being given CGI sheets. Now, whether these CGI sheets are being distributed for the beneficiaries under any government scheme or they are being purchased and being distributed directly by the party, that we'll have to find out. So that means, you know what all things are happening in the constituency? It is nothing but the desperation of the party in power, specifically NPP, to see that they win the seat. But I am telling you, people will give them a befitting reply. This committee, Charles Pungrop and other members of the election committee have sat and have discussed the application of the candidature of the aspiring candidate, Srimati Sadhya Rani Sangma, and the committee was unanimous in its decision to recommend the name for the final approval of the candidature as the candidate for the Trinamool, as the candidate of the Trinamool Congress for the forthcoming by-election in respect of Gambegre Legislative Assembly by-election. So we'll wait for the approval of the chairperson and candidate will be announced. So and the party is on the ground zero, working hard.